Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling the custom dictionary feature on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The custom dictionary will use your typing and handwriting history to create a custom dictionary. To turn this feature off or on from the Windows 11 desktop, click on the Windows icon from the taskbar. From there, click the Settings icon to open the Settings app. In Settings, select Privacy and Security from the left menu. In Privacy and Security settings, select Inking and Typing Preferences. Here you will see the option to enable or disable the custom inking and typing dictionary. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.